Hi, my name is Alexander. I am a student of the 8th cycle of biology, and today I am going to talk to you about some extraordinary animals that are frogs. The frogs. The frogs are a group of animals that belong to the Anura order of amphibian class. These animals inhabit all parts of the world, except in the polar areas. Their presence is determined by that of water, so they can be found in bodies of water such as ponds, lagoons, and rivers. There are also species that live in the leaves of the bushes and are called arboreal, and there are even species that dig their own burrow and are considered to the fossil habitats. The main characteristics that stand out the species of this order are: their body is short and wide, the locomotion is through jumps, their hind legs are longer than the previous ones, they lack a tail, and they must remain near water sources to keep the skin moist. The respiration is mainly through the skin and lungs. Their fertilization is external, and during development they undergo a transformation called metamorphosis. The approximate lifespan of frogs is between 60 and 7 years of life, although they can live up to 30 years in captivity. Frogs mainly feed on small insects that they hunt and catch with their sticky, retractable tongue. Many of species eat insects that can be pets from some plants or disease vectors. These species can give information about the environment in which they live because they accumulate toxic substances or pathogens in their skins, causing the decrease of their population in many regions on the planet. Amphibians also have enormous potential to contribute to human well-being as a source of medicine because they produce substances with analgesic and antibiotic properties. They can also be used as a source of food. On the other hand, frogs belonging to the Dendrobatidae family possess poisonous glands that can represent a danger to humans. As is the case of Dendrobatidae terribilis, their skin is impregnated with a poison that causes failures in neuronal connections. This is considered one of the most powerful points in the animal kingdom. Frogs are grouped together by a large number of species that currently involve about 6,000 species and are considered the most diverse group and with the largest number of species in the world. Ecuador has the highest abundance of frogs per area, which makes it the region on the planet with the most varied concentration of frogs and toads. Unfortunately, the regions of Ecuadorian amphibian is almost unknown on most people because many live in areas that are difficult to access, are relatively small and have nocturnal habits. Thank you very much for your attention.